epic lobster. Escovitch Lobster, guys. Okay guys, welcome back to another YouTube cooking video, guys. Today guys, we have for you some authentic meal we're gonna make today, guys. Some real lobster we're gonna make today. Today we're gonna make some Escovitch lobster, guys. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end, and you will find out how I'm gonna teach you to make that one, guys. That one gonna be off the hook. So check out the lobster, guys, the live. I just bought them. They're live. See? Live, ready for bite. So we are going to Escovitch these lobster, my people. So all of my subscribers, all of my viewers, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you for always coming back and watch the video, guys. You know, Str8yaad love you guys. One love. So we're going to get into the video, guys. So stay tuned. Watch the process. See how pretty it is now, guys? That's it. We're going to go ahead and do the rest. So now we can remove these two. These are my little ingredients here, guys. I'm gonna use to do the Escovitch, and these are the seasoning I'm gonna do. So stay tuned for that one. I'm coming up right to you. Okay, guys. So now we're gonna go in and season the lobster, guys. So I'm gonna mix up some season. All of my herbs and the spice. So here I have some slap your mama. Gonna mix up some season, guys. Make it the way I want it. I have a little Old Bay here, guys. Add them in. Might as well finish it. Buy a new one. Add some complete here, guys. Add some. These lobster are gonna be so good, guys. It's gonna be the best thing you ever eat. Trust me on that one. Have a little onion powder. The onion powder, guys. Have garlic powder here, guys. Some garlic powder. I have Miss Maggie here, guys. So I'm gonna go in with Miss Maggie. You know we can't do without this seasoning. That's Jamaica best. And of course, we have to drop a little of my real Jamaican easy spice brand, guys. All purpose, no MSG added. No top season we use around here. Full of flavor, guys. Full of flavor. Flavors that we're talking about. Flavors. So here we go. That is it. Combine everything together in one. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it, guys. Now we're gonna come over here and we're gonna season the lobster, guys. Put some season all over in it. Tough, guys. Season them up properly. Now them seasoning are good. Nice! Season up everywhere on it. For the claw, guys, I'm gonna show you a trick with the claw because I'm gonna cut them in two also. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. So for the claw now, my peeps, I'm gonna just crack the claws so the seasoning can go in the claws, guys. So I'm just clap them like that. Give them a little crack. A little crack. All the seasoning go exactly in that part, guys. See? A little crack. 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 Right. Yeah. So what I'm talking about, guys? Okay. That is it. Take this out. Cover that up and leave it to go and soak. Then we'll get back to that. Okay, my people. Welcome back to the epic lobster Escovitch Lobster, guys. You see them here? Man, ready soak. See how long they soak, guys? Trust me, when I taste this, you don't want to taste nothing more. We're gonna go right now to the fire, my people. As them are already soaking up, guys. So I'm gonna get the pot hot and dried out. And then I'm gonna put some oil in the pot. And stay tuned for the rest of that, guys. Remember to watch the video to the end. And remember to like, share, and subscribe, my people. And tell a friend to subscribe to the channel, guys. So we can get the thing up and running. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna heat the pan, get it hot, and then we're gonna put some oil in the pot, guys. And then we're gonna get to the Escovitch Lobster, guys. All these big bad boys here sitting down waiting to get in the pan, guys. See that? Well soaked. See them there, guys? Well soaked. Full of season. See them there? Well soaked. You understand me, peeps? Stay tuned for that, guys. Okay, my people. So you know the pan is hot now, guys. So I'm gonna add some oil to the pan now, guys. Gonna add some oil. Okay, my peeps. Yeah, Escovitch Lobster we are doing now, guys. Escovitch Lobster. One of the most authentic Escovitch Lobster you can ever taste. Okay, my peeps. Yes, now. Yes, now. Pan flat. That is what I'm talking about, guys. Yeah. That's what we're talking about. Okay? Yeah. That's what we're talking about. Guys, if you notice when you put them in, you see how it changed color to red? Well red on the bottom. When the heat take it, turn red immediately. But watch out, guys. This one's gonna be so nice. So nice and juicy, guys. So, okay, guys. Meanwhile, the lobster are frying. I'm gonna go ahead and prep these for the Escovitch, guys. So I have some onions, some sweet peppers, hot bunny pepper, and carrot, guys. And I have some fermented to add in it. So stay tuned and watch out for that, guys. So okay, guys, so right away I'm gonna go and turn them over. They're big in our teeth, so you know it's already big. There. This is just the garlic that burn in the pot and the pepper. That's it. In the time, we're done with that. Get all we want from them already. All the flavors are out already. Okay, my peeps. This is what we're looking for. Okay? This is what I'm talking about. Nice and juicy. Not dry, not burnt up. Okay? This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. See what I'm talking about, guys? Yeah. This is what I'm talking about. Exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, my peeps?
Hello. Merry after Christmas, Happy New Year.
As you call it. Yeah, it is.
Respect.
Okay, guys, so here you have it. We're gonna put all the ingredients on the lobster, guys. And you want to get some of the juice in it also. So you do it little by little. So the juice just goes in it, guys. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Real Escovitch Lobster, peeps. See that, peeps? Hmm. Okay, my people, here you have it. This is the end result of the Escovitch Lobster, guys. Best thing you ever see and taste. Trust me. So you guys can come. You're welcome to come and taste it. If you want me to send some to the mail, I could send some to the mail for you guys. But this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Here. Real Escovitch Lobster, guys. That is it. See it, my peeps? Real Escovitch Lobster, my peeps. Mud! We're gonna have a banger coming for you again, guys. So keep watching to the end.
Yeah, there's a curry lobster.
Escovitch.
You know, this is my youth. This is the first time I'm gonna have Escovitch lobster. Yeah, there's a curry lobster, steam lobster. This is my first.
Stay tuned.
Right. Oh, crunchy, sound good. Try lobster. You know, put on the fire. Yeah, style.
Well done.
I'm gonna drink a white rum.
Oh, Lord. That's how I'm gonna drink away, bro. You mad, don't you?
Wow.
You know what?
I first know this, honestly.
You mad, man. Say mad, you mad. Don't tell me to your wife, no.
Yes, really.
Yeah, man.
I first know this. All is a curry lobster.
That mad, man.
No, I'm teasing something.
Escovitch Lobster, man. Sick.
Yeah, I'm gonna try my own now. That's the recipe.
Yeah,
Good.
So guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And tell them to come into the kitchen with Str8yaad and test them authentic meal here, guys. See them here, guys? Very nice and delicious. Like, share and subscribe. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Check out them crazy meal here. And you guys can try it at home. And drop the comment in the comment section. And I will tell you what's going on, guys. I know it's a banger. We out.